So today we have sealed a heating system by removing the little black tank that is here, similar to the big cold water storage tank here for the hot water and some of the cold taps. There's also there was a little tank here that the mains water filled up with a float valve, and then naturally it will just trickle into the system. Now this can cause problems like sludge, airlocks and circulation issues, so we've removed that little tank and we have sealed it with an expansion vessel. Now all this means is that the cold water that would have filled up the tank and trickled into the system, now with this lever here, one lever here and a second lever here, the only reason there are two levers in case one fails, so the cold mains water at the moment is going up to here. We would then open this valve, which will now allow water through this braided hose up to this lever here. It doesn't make a difference which way round you turn them, so if you turned this one and then this one, it's just allowing water into the system, and there's only two in case one fails. So we're going to open this one here and then we're going to adjust the amount of water in the system with this one. If I open this, you'll probably hear the water start to enter the system, so if I just be quiet. You can hear it. Now on here is a pressure gauge, and ideally when the system is cold we want it to be about 1 to 1.5 bar worth of pressure. So remember, we've got these two levers, so that's off. In the perpendicular position it is off, and also perpendicular position is off, and then on. And on this one we will just slowly open this one, just slowly open it and keep an eye on the pressure gauge so you can see my hand and the pressure gauge at the same time, and you can hear water entering the system. Don't be too eager to put the water in too quickly, just keep an eye on the pressure gauge. So we're approaching, we're just getting over 1 bar now. So now we're about right, so we can shut that valve. We are about 1.2, that is fine. And we'll also then shut that valve. And that is the system now filled up and good to use. Keep an eye on that pressure gauge, and if it drops, naturally just top the water back up again.